in 2018, there was this practice of herbicidal spraying that Israel was conducting on the eastern perimeter of Gaza, killing the Palestinian herbs. We could see practices of construction by the Israeli military of a new road and construction of earth berms to create encampments for the military so that they could advance in stages. So we began identifying these practices on the ground, zooming out a pattern to this destruction. There was a logic of destroying the agricultural fields and orchards in Gaza. The majority of them, of course, were along the eastern perimeter. This is the most fertile soil in Gaza. Greenhouses and agricultural farms and orchards. The production of food in Gaza relies on these two anchors. We could see that in time between October and the middle of summer, about 70% of all agricultural fields were destroyed. We haven't come across something like this in the past, the scale of destruction. But this is not just a number, right? The pattern in which this destruction took place, month by month, the way that some places were destroyed again and again, and the way that over months these destructions correlated with the Israeli ground invasion. This is what we call the interlocking of patterns, the way kind of like one pattern, the pattern of Israeli ground invasion, correlated with patterns of the destruction of agricultural fields and orchards. We called them raid routes because they were, in a way, they were designed for the military to be able to enter, do an operation, and then leave.